And what I believe is this, is that if we can believe a thing, God said he can do exceedingly abundantly above all we could ever come up with. So I have come up with your strength equaling your days, and that you will live long and prosper. And I've shown you in Bible studies that the Word of God very clearly states, he says that he wants us to live long. He said, I'll meet your every need. And prosper to me doesn't mean that you got a whole lot of money. Prosper just means that you got what you need when you need it. Okay? That means if you need a car, God will provide the car. If you need your body well, God makes you well. Whatever you need food on the table, God will do it. And then the question is this: if I can think it, if I can come up with it, is anything too hard